Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So this is like a cooking set, which I'm gonna have my son actually come in here in a little bit and help cook. So it comes with some oven mitts, an apron. These are for your elbows. You have your little pans. This is a little pot. So everything is like mini sized. You have this, which this holds all your spatulas. You have a little kid's knife. These. This. Some chopsticks. This is actually what's going to cook it. You have this. These little bowls right here. You have two heart ones and then just a regular bowl, and then a fork and a cutting board. I really do like this because it comes with this so that you can keep everything all in there. So I'm going to place this right here. This is so when you take it off, it won't be too hot. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go get my son and we're gonna cook an egg. Okay, this is my son Elisha. Okay, so to start off, let's go ahead and start heating this up first. So go ahead and spray that with oil. There it goes, that should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on cooking. Okay, so are you gonna make it just sunny side up?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and pour it in there. It's heating up right now. What do you think about this?
It's cool.
Are you excited to cook your own food?
Yeah, look, it's actually turning white.
Yes, it's starting to cook it.
Wait, flip it over to where it'll pop.
So it cooks to the other side.
Oh. Darn it. Can you do this? I can take the camera.
So wiggle it.
Isn't
like that.
That of a burn now. Okay, there we go. No, we'll wait a minute. 4, 3, 2, 1. How much do I flip this over now? There we go.
So what do you think?
It's nice. I'm surprised it was actually able to cook an egg. I thought it was gonna fail. Now it's time to season it up. And bam, it's finished.
Good job. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.